Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get your first job on Upwork even if you're a complete beginner. We'll go step by step from creating your account, setting up your profile and understanding how connects work to actually applying for your first job and increasing your chances of getting hired fast. So make sure to watch this video till the very end because I'll also share a few insider tips that can help you stand out from thousands of freelancers out there. But before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about what Upwork really is because understanding how it works will make everything else so much easier. So basically, Upwork is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world where companies and individuals post different kinds of jobs like video editing, writing, web design, customer support, and many more. As a freelancer, you can create your profile, apply for jobs that match your skills, and get paid safely through the platform once you complete the work. It's super beginner friendly because you don't need any fancy setup or special contacts. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and your skills, even small ones count. Upwork handles everything from contracts and payments to reviews, so both freelancers and clients feel safe working with each other. That's why millions of freelancers, from absolute beginners to experienced professionals, use Upwork every single day to earn online. And in this video, I'll help you start your journey the right way. So, with that said, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and go to upwork.com. Now, if you already have an account, simply click on Login at the top right corner, but if you're brand new, click on Sign Up instead. And once you do that, Upwork will give you two options. And since we're here to start freelancing, choose I'm a freelancer looking for work and then click on Apply as a freelancer. Here, Upwork will give you a few sign-up options. You can continue with your Google account, Apple ID, or you can fill in your information manually. I'm just gonna fill in my information manually, so I'll just enter my full name, email address, create a strong password, and select my country. After that, check the box to agree to Upwork's terms of service and privacy policy and then click on Create My Account. After that, you will need to verify your email address to continue. Now, after verification, simply click on Get Started. Then, Upwork will guide you through a few on-screen prompts to complete your basic details. You will need to select your skills, choose the type of projects you're interested in, and write a short professional title, something that best describes what you do. And now, it'll ask you to tell it about yourself. You can either import your information from LinkedIn or you can simply upload your resume, but I'm gonna go with fill out manually, which takes up to 15 minutes. You're also required to write a short but powerful profile summary. This should explain who you are, what you do, and how you can help clients achieve their goals. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can say something like, "Hi, I'm a creative graphic designer with 2 years of experience in logo design, branding, and social media visuals. I help businesses stand out with eye-catching and professional designs." After that, click on Set Your Rate. Here, you need to set your hourly rate. Then click on Next. Now, it's time to set up your profile picture, and this part is super important. You need to upload a clear and professional profile picture. Avoid selfies, group photos, or pictures with filters. Choose a clean background, look directly into the camera, and wear something that makes you look confident and approachable. After that, fill in these informations and then click on Review Your Profile. And if you need to update any of your information you just provided, simply scroll down and update those. And when you're happy with all of your information, simply click on Submit Profile. And after your profile is ready, it's time to start looking for jobs. Go to Find Work section at the top of your Upwork dashboard and click on Find Work. Here, you will see tons of job listings from clients all over the world. You can even use the search bar to look for jobs that match your skills. For example, type graphic designer, video editor, or data entry. You can also filter results by experience level, project type, and budget to find jobs that best fit your needs. And when you find a job that looks interesting, click on it to view the full details. After that, read the full job description carefully, check the client's history and reviews, and make sure the project fits your skills before applying. Now, when you find a job you like, normally you'll see a green Submit a Proposal button. But sometimes, like just in my case, you might see something different. You might see buy connects to apply, or you will need connects to bid. So, what are connects? Connects are basically Upwork's virtual credits that allow you to apply for jobs. Each job posting requires a certain number of connects depending on the type of job. New freelancers get a few free connects when they first join, but once you run out, you can buy more directly from Upwork. Think of connects as a way to show clients you're serious about applying. Once you have enough connects, click on Submit a Proposal, then write a short cover letter. Mention how your skills match their needs and what value you can bring. Finally, set your rate or project price, attach your portfolio if needed, and click on Submit Proposal. Now, let's go over some powerful tips that will actually help you land your first job faster on Upwork. My tip 1 would be to start small and build your reputation. In the beginning, don't focus on big projects. Instead, apply for small and quick tasks like a short logo design, a simple transcription, or a basic data entry job. These may not pay a lot, but they'll help you build your profile and get those first 5-star reviews, which are super important for trust. Also, once you complete a few small jobs successfully, Upwork's algorithm will start recommending your profile more often and you will begin seeing better paying clients. Then, my tip 2 would be to craft personalized proposals every single time. Avoid copying and pasting the same generic proposal to every client. Instead, read each job post carefully and write a short message that directly responds to what they're asking for. For example, if a client says, "I need someone to edit my YouTube videos weekly," don't just write, "I'm a professional editor, please hire me." Instead, write something like, "Hey there, I've edited over 50 YouTube videos for different creators and I can help you maintain a consistent and engaging editing style. I can send you a few samples if you'd like to see my work." This shows the client that you actually read their post and you care about their project, which already puts you ahead of most freelancers. Also, keep your proposals short and polite, and don't forget to end with a friendly call to action like "looking forward to hearing from you." And my last tip would be to keep your profile fresh and stay active. Clients and the Upwork algorithm prefer freelancers who log in often and update their profiles. Try to visit Upwork daily, apply for a few jobs each day, and keep tweaking your bio or title to make it sharper. You can also upload portfolio items or testimonials from past clients, even those outside of Upwork. This will help you to boost your credibility. And even if you don't get responses right away, don't just give up. Most successful freelancers didn't get their first job immediately, but with consistency and good communication, you'll eventually land one. And also, be ready to communicate professionally. When a client messages you, respond as soon as possible and keep your tone friendly but clear. Ask the right questions about their project, confirm deadlines, and show interest in helping them succeed. Your communication style can be the deciding factor between you and another freelancer. And that's all for today's video. That's how you can get your first job on Upwork, from creating your account to applying and writing the perfect proposal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and thank you for watching.